Because I wanted to. Now hurry up.
Yo, this is my breakfast right here.
So you're gonna eat true lemon ice crystals?
What else I have to tell you?
Where the fuck
Crystallized.
Crystallized lemon?
That's what it says.
Okay. Have fun, Ashley.
Crystallized lemon.
Okay, I get it.
That was nothing like a... Didn't we already go through this with you?
Yeah, you spit it out. Wow.
I'm not done opening it.
Okay, hurry up.
Push it even more. Make it more crystallized.
Why don't you take something and smash it?
Oh, good
That
idea.
doesn't work. It's too hard.
That hurts really bad.
I didn't see my hairbrush.
Yeah, go away with the camera. I'm already on YouTube. I'm tired of being on YouTube.
What the hell are you on YouTube for?
Me and Carl made our own.
Oh.
Me, Carl, Montana made our own Jackass movie. Why are you watching it?
Because it's gonna be funny to see the shocking face on your face. What the hell are you doing?
Easier.
Put it all in there.
Get in there.
Just like weed.
Want me to roll it up and smoke it too?
Yep.
Whoa, your butt.
What?
Wow,
Play Colt 45. Go to the arrow and click on YouTube.
Oh. Shut up.
Colt 45.
This is a lot. If you look at
Colt 45.
if you look at this is a lot. It's ridiculous.
Lyrics.
I don't even think I want to do it anymore.
You do. You should.
Do you think you're gonna get famous off of YouTube or something?
I want to see how many profile views I get. What?
Are you seriously gonna put this in your mouth?
What else would I put in my ass?
This is it.
Turn it down.
Is this it?
Yeah. It's just somebody that made a video of lyrics.
Dang!
Come on. Come on.
Well.
Come on.
Really?
Yes.
Hold on, I got some more for him.
Oh God. You like, what the fuck?
It's more crystallized. It's not all out.
Damn. And what I'm supposed to like eat it?
Damn, look at that weed!
I'm supposed to eat it like
Come on.
eat it all?
No, you
Lick
can
it all
you can
up.
lick it with your tongue.
No, because
Like
I
you
make
do a
the weirdest face
lollipop.
when it's like
Come on. Come on. Alright. Turn the music off.
No.
No, never mind.
Need it. I'm trying to concentrate. Yeah. Crazy.
Just do it already.
You do it!
No!
Okay then.
Receiver. It's looking like a zebra. I'm on my way. You said we late. Okay. You fucking.
Two-Face right?
No, no.
Oh my gosh. I just laughed. Oh my god. My mouth is numb. You know, if you
That's
eat that
pretty.
much, if you eat that much at one time, your mouth will numb. My throat
Shoot
hurts now.
fried rice.
I want to see somebody else do it.
No,
Okay, you just gotta eat one.
no,
Please?
no.
Please.
Okay, fine. Here.
Oh, you're gonna record it. Okay. Okay. You gotta eat one. You gotta eat the whole thing. I got her to eat one. Yeah.
Watch. If I can do this.
If you're able to do it, you gotta eat 3.
No. No. Because the first time you guys did it, you did 1.
In 2 weeks.
And then I did 4.
You're a dumbass.
I only plan on doing 3.
And she did 3.
No, she didn't, because the third one she put in mine. Telling you, no, that shit is sour as fuck.
No, it's not.
Why you lying?
What?
She said it ain't sour. What the fuck wrong with your taste buds? Okay, take the camera.
I win.